Right, hi everyone, welcome back to me garage again. Once again I've been doing stuff off camera, but it is really boring stuff, trust me. This morning I've been stripping off all of the sound deadening, not the original stuff, but this horrible silver stuff that everybody sticks on now, and I'm guilty of it too. But compared to the original stuff, it is an absolute nightmare to get off. I found the best way was, I tried it with heat and that didn't work, but I've been using this freeze spray, which is still hard, but it definitely does help. So yeah, I've been stripping I've stripped all out because it was all up right up in the bulkhead, so I wanted to make sure everything was good, which most of it is. This side's good, but I can see it's been repaired down in that corner there. I was contemplating putting another floor pan in at one point, but I think I'll be alright. But I do need to get rid of that and do it properly. And it's rotten over there. That had all of this taped all over the top of it. It's had a bit of inner sill welded in there before, but it looks like it's welded over the top of another piece that's been welded in there before. So I was hoping not to put a complete sill in this side, inner sill, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think I'll have to do the same as the other side. But yeah, so I thought I'd finished all the welding here, but I actually missed this piece down in here yesterday, so I've just cut a piece. I'm just going to weld that in there now, so I'll film that and maybe something else, don't know. But I have straightened that floor pan as well, because that was all bent up in the air, but it has gone down, so it's all good now. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Right, so there we go, that's that bit cleaned out of there. Cleaned out? Not cleaned out, I've got to clean it all out in a minute. That's that bit welded in there. So that really is this side, apart from the wing and that, obviously, all done. Right, so I do need to get rid of all this junk out of here now, and then give it a clean up, hoover out, and then I'm going to red oxide all of this lot, so then next week I can seam seal it all, and then we will be done on this side, and then we'll do it all again. Right, so I'm not sure what I recorded then, but yeah, it's all cleaned out now. Gonna red oxide all that inner sill, where I've welded it, and some of the floor underneath as well. I'm not going to red oxide the outer sill, because that'd be in body colour, so I'll probably just prime that, etch prime and paint it body colour. But yeah, this side you can see that where someone kind of done the welding and put this bit of inner sill in down here. They never put no protection on it after they welded it. Lovely job. And there's a hole at the front of the step as well, so we got to deal with that as well. But the pillar and that's all good. It's just localised down low. But yeah, still got to decide what to do with that floor pan. But it seems a bit extreme to put another one in. Most of it's pretty good. Right, so I think that's going to be about it for this one. Not vast amounts going on, but like a little bit of welding and a bit of red oxiding. It's all done up under there now. I don't know where you can see that, but yeah, just a bit of protection on it for now, so we can seam seal it all later. Yeah, that is the worst of this side done now, apart from a bit over there, but I'll put a little video out during the week for that one. Behind the shock mount. So yeah, right, thanks for watching. Right, if you like the video, hit the like button. It all helps to promote me videos, and you know, I don't make hardly anything over these, trust me, but it's not what I'm doing it for. Doing it just to share it with you guys. It's more of a what I'm doing than a how to. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you all next time. Don't forget to give us one of them. See ya.